Hi guys! Are you staying in for Valentine's Day this year? Well, I have a recipe that will definitely impress your significant other. And it's surf and turf. It's juicy, melt in your mouth steak topped with creamy shrimp, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So let's get started.
The ingredients we're going to be using today are 2 ribeye steaks, 4 tablespoons of butter divided, and 4 garlic cloves. The ingredients for the creamy shrimp are 8 ounces of peeled shrimp, 1 tablespoon of butter, 3 garlic cloves minced, 1/4 cup of chicken broth, and a 1/2 cup of heavy cream or half and half. Remove steaks from the fridge at least 30 minutes before cooking. You don't want to cook a cold steak. Season steaks liberally with salt and pepper. I use coarse salt and freshly ground pepper. You want to make sure these steaks are well seasoned. Using your hands, gently pat the seasonings onto the steak. Next, season the shrimp with salt and pepper. Let's start with the creamy shrimp. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat and add shrimp. Cook until cooked through. This will take about 2 minutes. You'll know when it's done when the shrimp has turned pink in color. Remove and set aside. Melt butter and add the minced garlic. Sauté until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Add chicken broth and heavy cream and bring to a boil. You can also substitute the heavy cream with half and half. Season with salt and pepper. Lower heat to medium and let simmer until thickened. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally. Return the shrimp back to the pan and remove from heat. This shrimp is honestly so good, I could just eat this over a bowl of rice. Now let's get the steak going. Heat a cast iron skillet over high heat. This will take a few minutes to heat up. Once hot, add oil and sear steak. I like to cook the steaks one at a time to ensure that it cooks properly. Cook according to your preference on doneness. This is about an inch steak, so it's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes per side to achieve medium. Flip steak over and add the butter and garlic cloves. Baste the steak occasionally with the melted butter. This is going to add so much flavor. As you can see, there's so much smoke, you might want to open your windows for this part. If you want the full recipe, I have everything written in the description below. Now steak is done, time to top it off with that creamy shrimp. The best part of this dish is it's super easy and it came together very quickly. And trust me, your significant other is going to love you for it. And another bonus, I saved a lot of money making it myself. We'll save the fancy restaurant for next time. The steak is nice, juicy, and buttery, and that shrimp in that velvety cream sauce. This is perfection, guys. Since my hubby was working when I made this, I had my little Valentine come and taste it. He got surf and I got turf.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I make simple and delicious recipes weekly. Feel free to check out my other cooking videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.